This is Bob, and Elliot knows my mustache. With Mustache Man makes grinder hoagies. Black Forest ham. These apple slices are spicy. I like the Black Forest ham. A little for daddy. Pre-sliced hard salami. Ooh, that's pretty hard. Like a salami, you like a salami. Salami, salami, Tommy the salami. ASMR. Oh, pre-sliced pepperoni. Oh, look at that. That's nice. Oh. She's fine. 1 and 2.
Please, God, no.
Oh, it's so good. I love provolone. Now to put my wonderful creation in the oven, and we're gonna wait until it's brown. I don't know what
brown and melty.
I don't know what length of time brown and melty is, but there you go, oven. Take my creation. Now it's time for the salad. And I've carefully measured this out. And I've carefully measured these out. Now for the mayonnaise. It's stuck in there. Parmigiano. Ooh, red wine vinaigrette. Oh. Wait, what are these?
Peppersini peppers.
The peppers?
Peppersini.
In a salad.
Yes.
Peppers in a salad.
Yes.
Peppers not in a salad.
Put them in.
There.
Come on.
I love Busey's. Did you know that Busey's has a beaver? Okay. Not ready. Do I sprinkle each one?
Let's see in there. Seasonings.
Oh no, they're all mixed up. Oh! They're in. So now I do the magic.
Mix it.
Give me the blender.
No, you use
The blend.
the scraper.
Which scraper?
Right there.
Of course, this scraper, I knew that. Yerdy, fruity, smirty, fruity, burt, burt. There. Hot and bubbly. Now it's time for the tomatoes to go upon my creation. One for you, one for you. I can't resist. One for me. And these apples are better. Spread it on. Spread it on. I'm gonna spread it on. Ooh, daddy like. You just a little tappy tap. That one's yours. It has 3 tomatoes. Ooh, that looks really, really good.
Yeah, it does.
Ooh. Okay, it's gonna be so good. Oh my God, that's so good. That's so good. Look at that. It's so good. So good. Oh man. Oh man. That's it. Filming's done. Get out of here. I'm Black Bart. There ain't room enough in this town for both of us.